Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Conduit. They're looking for a part-time customer service representative, work from home. It pays up to $16 an hour. Performs business support or technical work using data organizing and coordination skills. Performs tasks based on established procedures. In some areas, requires vocational training, certifications, licensures, or equivalent experience. General profile. Ability to perform in an analytical and operational process. Entry-level position with limited requirements for licenses, training, and certifications. Applies experience and skills to complete assigned work. Works within established procedures and practices. Works with a close degree of supervision. Functional knowledge. Has basic skill set in a range of processes, procedures, and systems. Business expertise. Supports in the achievement of company goals by understanding how teams integrate for the best outcome. Impacts a team through quality of the services and information provided. Follows standardized procedures and practices and receives close supervision and guidance. For consistency, methods and tasks are described in detail. Leadership. Has no supervisory responsibilities. Problem solving. Ability to problem solve, self-guided. Evaluates issues and solutions to provide the best outcome for the client and end users. Has limited opportunity to exercise discretion. Interpersonal skills. Exchanges information and ideas effectively. Responsibility statements. Assesses calls to provide service immediately, be transferred, or require follow-up for client resolution. Identifies customer needs by referring to case notes and examining each as a specific case. Performs routine call center activities concerning business products and services. Uses standard scripts and established guidelines and under supervision to meet SLAs. Provides customers with information that is specialized. Communicates in a warm and empathetic manner. Gathers all necessary information to update the database. Escalates issues to senior levels based on complaints or concerns. Explains company policies to customers. Performs other duties as assigned. Complies with all policies and standards. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Sandy Hook Promise Foundation. They're looking for a part-time tech moderator remote position. It pays up to $25 an hour. Sandy Hook Promise is a national nonprofit organization with a mission to end school shootings and create a culture change that prevents violence and other harmful acts that hurt children. Through its life-saving, evidence-informed Know the Signs prevention programs, SHP educates and empowers youth and adults to recognize, intervene, and get help for individuals who may be socially isolated and are at risk of hurting themselves or others. SHP is a moderate, bipartisan organization that supports sensible policy solutions that address the human side of gun violence and make schools safer. SHP is led by several family members whose loved ones were killed in the tragic mass shooting at Sandy Hook Elementary School on December 14, 2012. Commitment to racial justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion. SHP strives to ensure its culture and work environment reflect the values of race, diversity, equity, and inclusion, and is responsive to the views and issues of the diverse communities with which we live and work. SHP encourages individuals who have demonstrated a commitment to equity and inclusion to apply. Position summary. The main responsibility will be to provide technical support to SHP's virtual training sessions. This will be a part-time role averaging approximately up to 15 hours per week. Job responsibilities. Moderating virtual training sessions, including organizing Q&A for trainers and answering basic questions. Helping trainers test the video and audio before each training session. Answering technical support questions in chat if students, teachers cannot hear or see the presenter. Providing a run-of-show introduction for the trainer and material. Qualifications. Understanding of Zoom, GoToWebinar, MS Teams, Google Meets, and generally how virtual meeting tools function. tech support experience of non-technical users, preferably in the use and administration of virtual meeting platforms, experience owning a run-of-show for virtual events, performs other duties as required. Salary: the pay for this position is $25 per hour. Benefits: employer paid employee assistance program. Our organization operates within a distributed workforce, allowing for location flexibility across the country for most positions. We provide remote office support for all staff, which includes a laptop, home office reimbursement, monthly Wi-Fi reimbursement up to $20, and monthly cell phone reimbursement up to $50.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
Below under job number 2 so you can
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this video and every single
day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Answer 8. They're looking for an answering service agent, part-time, work from home. It pays up to $16 an hour. Answer 8 is actively seeking an enthusiastic part-time customer service agent to provide quality customer service. Are you a people person who enjoys talking on the phone? Can you provide quality customer service? Do you want to work for a supportive and growing company? If so, please continue reading. This remote phone operator position earns up to $16 depending on your experience. For our part-time remote employees, we provide paid time off. About Answer 8. Answer 8 is a dedicated provider of 24/7 telephone answering services and customer service outsourcing for businesses. Our superb team handles the after-hours and overflow phone calls, customer service outsourcing, and other administrative tasks when needed for our clients. The services we offer help a variety of companies stay at the top of their industries because of the excellent support their customers receive. We strive to create the best experience for every caller by treating them like our own customers, and we treat our own customers like they are family. Our team always goes the extra mile to ensure that all calls are being handled in a professional manner. Answering service training is provided to all employees so everyone can give the highest quality of service. Our business wouldn't be thriving without our employees, and we like to show them our appreciation by offering a positive work environment and exceptional benefits. A day in the life of an answering service agent. As a remote virtual receptionist, you are the backbone of our company. Your main responsibilities include receiving inbound calls and placing outbound calls. You listen attentively and collect data from customers to provide them with basic information about the services and support they are seeking. Taking accurate notes and detailed messages is a main part of the job, and you have no problem balancing this while speaking clearly on the phone. You help schedule appointments for customers and process orders and payments while ensuring all calls are documented and reported to the appropriate business. Maintaining order is a skill that comes naturally to you, and you find great satisfaction in helping others through quality customer service. Qualifications of an answering service agent: a resident of Florida, Texas, or Virginia. A private office with a door that is free from other people, noises, and distractions. PC with Windows 10 or 11, 8 GB RAM, 100 GB of available disk space, a webcam, and battery backup. Ability to type 40+ words per minute with minimal errors. Ability to follow instructions. Ability to type and talk simultaneously. Strong customer service skills. Strong computer skills. A high-speed internet connection with 25+ Mbps. Being bilingual is not required, but a plus. Do you have excellent verbal and written communication skills? Are you able to maintain professionalism and use a clear speaking voice on the phone? Can you balance multiple tasks at once while demonstrating good time management? Do you have an upbeat, enthusiastic, and friendly personality? Are you detail-oriented? If yes, we want to hear from you about this remote phone operator opportunity.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you.
Hello.
Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.